Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how does one downloads the Python software into their laptop. As you can see, I'm using the Windows 10 software. If you're using Mac or Linux, don't worry, Python has its own compatible versions for it. Now, it's pretty easy. You open up your Chrome and you key in Python. Now the first thing that should pop up is python.org, and if you see below this link is a downloads sublink. If you click that, it will directly forward you to the download page in Python. Now, this part is pretty easy. You just click the download Python, and once it's downloaded, it should appear on the bottom left of your screen, and you click that, and you click install now. Now, as you can see, the setup was successful. So what you do, you just close it, and in your Cortana, just key in Python is the app, open it, and that's it. Now you can run your Python software as freely as you please.